good, everybody? It's your boy Grandmaster, back at you with another video. Today I'm just doing a short update for you guys. I've just gotten a package from Mountain Glass. We're gonna unbox that. I've come back into the studio for the day, and every time I come in, I usually pick it up. When I leave the studio in the evening time, I typically just leave everything a mess. And when I come back in the next day, I'll clean it up, get my headspace right, think about what I did the day before and what I'm gonna be doing today, and it just gets me in the right headspace. Down below, I've got my shop vac. That way I can keep all the silica dust and just all the glass pieces clean. It just helps me keep the studio nice and tidy, makes me feel good. And yeah, I've been needing some new tubes, so I'm gonna be unboxing that. That's what I've ordered, along like just clear hollow tubes. And then as well, I also burned my blow hose, so I had to order a new one of those. I was working on something, and as I moved my arm, I bumped my hose into the flame, singed it, so it's time for a new hose. Other than that, guys, I'm just gonna be unboxing this, and afterwards I'll probably cut the video. Unboxing. Ayo, got it all unboxed right here, package over there. Keep all of that so when I do ship out orders, I just reuse it. And here's that blow hose, as well as a couple holsters for 10 mil and 12 mil. I also felt like I needed a new swivel. The old one was only a one direction, not a two-way direction. I also needed a plug, because over here, when I blow tube up, I need the other side to be plugged. So I've just been using napkin, but now I actually have an official plug, so that'll be cool. And I've got all of my tubing right here. We've got the 12 mil, 7 mil rods, and then the 19 mil tubes. That's what I've been making my spinner caps out of. As well, I've got a Fire Kiss holster, so I have to transfer that holster onto the new hose, so get that all set up. And other than that, guys, I'm stoked to break in the new hose and try out the new glass, get these caps going. I'm gonna be making 10 for a local shop, Lazy Days on 410. So if you've been wanting a spinner directional cap, they're gonna have some probably within 3 or 4 days after seeing this video. Other than that, guys, I appreciate the support. Tell all your homies about the channel. Let's get the subscription up. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway pretty soon, where as long as you're subscribed and you comment your Instagram down below, I'll be choosing you, so keep an eye out for that. And other than that, guys, always remember, never stop evolving.
Grandmaster Glass.